You right, Paul? You still? There you go. Sam. Stand here if that's right. Recording half of the railway. Ta.
Right there, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm here often speak. What you can see is, when we approach, we have to make sure that we approach where the wind is in the right direction. The last thing we want to do is drive straight through the smoke of the fire. The reason for that is that we will intoxicate ourselves with the carcinogenic fumes that come from a car fire. So the two guys now have gone on, they've put a covering jet. What that is to keep it cool. We can't stop the fire inside yet until everything's in place. Once everything's in place, we can then start to tell the guys to go in and tackle the fire. So I'll go and tell them exactly what I want them to do.